Okay, let's get you measured up for a pair of suspenders. You're gonna need some tailor's tape. Okay, now let's show you where to measure from. It's important. You're gonna measure from the hip line or the belt line. It doesn't matter the connector type. Okay, I engineer everything, so I count for that different type of connector. So let's measure from the hip line, and it doesn't matter the connector. See, I have this Viking set up here. I need it still from the belt line. Even this big bulky Velcro V-back, still need it from this hip line / belt line. Okay, so start off, get any pair of suspenders or whatever, get them comfortable. Okay, let's get you situated and comfortable the way you like it, and we're gonna measure the way I told you, from that hip line, belt line, from the left back to the front right. Okay, you see I got 45 on this one. Now let's change the set. See, it doesn't matter, hip line, left rear to the front hip, front right. See, same, 45. Alrighty, have any questions, contact us. Thanks a lot.